Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to hide columns and how to hide rows in Google Sheet. So I want to hide this product column and this third row. Okay, so how to do it? First you have to select whole column. Okay, just click on this column name and then right click here, and then here you will see hide column option. Just click on it and column will be hidden. Okay, now just select the row and repeat the same process. Right click and hide rows. So like this you can hide columns and hide rows in Google Sheets. So if you want to unhide it, you have to just move your cursor, okay, between A and C and just click on it. Then you will see the this is unhide. Okay, the column is unhidden. Okay, now if you click here, the row will be unhidden. Okay, yeah, or unhide. So like this you can hide and unhide column and row in Google Sheets. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.